Can you tell me, where are we going today?
To the Forest Festival.
Awesome. Are you excited about it?
Yes.
Is there anything else you want to say?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
I love Transformers, robots and skies.
It looks pretty cool, doesn't it?
I have never ever seen this.
All right.
This is number one.
Okay. Well, once we've had something to
Number
eat.
one is eating time.
Ah, good one.
Mommy, go. Mommy, go.
Where are we going to go?
Mommy, go. Mommy, go.
Oh, what's happening? You're on a tree that's going up and down. Oh, it stopped. Oh, they're starting again.
Make a movie, please.
What are we going to say in the movie?
What we did on holidays, blah, 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 remember?
Ah, what did we do on holidays? Blah, blah, blah.
Blah, 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 blah.
Ah, why don't you tell them what we've been doing today at the Forest Festival?
Blah, 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 blah.
Come on, tell them
I
what
want to
we've
make
done.
a movie.
We are. It's doing a movie right now. Look at you. Are you awesome? Yeah. It's beautiful. I love it. A name?
Yeah, maybe ladybug.
Okay, what a name. You look a bit tired. Is it time to get ice creams and go home? I think so. You had a lovely time too, Archer?
I put it closer so I'm bigger. A little tiny a bit more bigger.
I can't. My arms don't bend that way.
So I like my mask and I also want to watch a video of me making my mask because me making my mask was a fun time.
Make sure you subscribe.
For more videos!
Good job.